Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning or good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer BNB, in another word, Binance coin, from Binance to Metamask. So for those people who do not know Metamask, Metamask is basically like Trust Wallet, which is like wallet where you guys can store crypto. Alright. So if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Metamask to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can transfer BNB into it. So let me tell you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And for those people who want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And let's get right into the video. First step is you want to go to Binance. I'm using Binance on the website version. You want to go over here into Binance.com. Log in into your account. After you come over here, you want to go on wallet and on overview. After you go on overview, you want to go on where it says withdraw. Once you go on the withdraw section, you want to choose BNB coin from withdraw. Alright, so right now it's on BTC, which means Bitcoin. So I want to choose BNB. So I'm just going to search for BNB over here. After searching for BNB, basically I want a wallet address where I want to transfer. So since I want to transfer this to my Metamask account, I want to go on, my Metamask over here. So I've opened my Metamask and I'm going to choose BNB from over here. Now you guys might not see BNB over here at first. Basically what you want to do is you want to click on add token, and from over here you want to search for BNB. After searching for it, you want to click on it and you want to click on add token. After you do that, basically BNB is going to be added over here. After you add BNB, you want to click on BNB. After BNB opens up, you want to click on receive. Once you click on receive, it's going to give you the wallet address. Now once you're over here, basically what you want to do is you want to click on copy. After you copy the wallet address, you want to paste the wallet address over here. After you paste the wallet address, basically wallet address automatically matched to the corresponding network. So basically according to the wallet address, the network is selected automatically. Then over here you want to choose the amount of BNB you want to transfer. After choosing the amount, you want to click on withdraw. Then basically it's going to be transferred into the wallet address, which means the wallet address we entered over here is of Metamask. That means it's going to be sent to Metamask over here. Now once it's transferred to Metamask, you can do whatever thing you want. So that's basically how you guys can transfer BNB from your Binance to Metamask. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. If you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and don't forget to use our referral link in the description to sign up into Binance to get up to $10 bonus. It's me, which you have been signing out. Bye bye.